Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A53, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key. And from here, slide down to power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume down. And let go of only the power key. And once you see the language select, simply tap on the desired language, which I'm gonna choose English. And from here, there we go, we're now in recovery mode. And again, in this mode, you also tap on everything that you want to access, and you can install updates from storage, online updates, wipe data, reboot, or power off. And wipe data, if we go to it, we have wipe data and format data. And if you're planning to basically erase the device, make sure you go with the format data, because wipe data will retain contacts, messages, and photos, making it useless at wiping data. And then, well, that's basically all we have here in terms of the options. Once you want to leave this mode, simply choose either power off or reboot. Reboot will simply take you back to the operating system, while power off will turn off the device. And there we go, we're now almost back in Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.